Little mind. Welcome back to day 2 of DT week. I made myself some coffee in the intro. I hope you guys are loving the cozy intros. But yeah, so DT week is where I haul all 7 days of the week, Monday to Sunday, and all of it is Dollar Tree. So if you missed DT week day 1, I'll link it down below. So today again is day 2. Let me enjoy some of this coffee because I was up late last night. I think I was researching dinosaurs for no reason. But I've got another Dollar Tree haul. I love this store so much. It's actually insane. I feel like even if I won the lottery, I would still, 1, be shopping there, and 2, I would still want to like share it. You know, like when you think about winning the lottery, you're like, oh, I'm just gonna drop off the face of the earth. I would still have to, I don't know, it's a thing for me, and I'm glad you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you get yourselves a little drink and cozy up, your fall blankets, whatever, it makes you feel good. I'm gonna show you guys what I got because it's so good. I picked up a bag of the Charms Mini Pops. This is like a novelty type of candy where it's like one single flavor. These aren't always at Dollar Tree. So when I found the blue raspberry and you get 30 pops in here, I was like, yes, I'm gonna pick this up. Then I found some new shower headbands. They're by the brand Spa April Bath and Shower. This is a brand that's been at Dollar Tree for eons, and I got these too. I love them. I also just like twist them around my wrist so that water doesn't drip down. I know that they make them singularly on like Amazon. I've never seen Dollar Tree do those. I've only seen them do the headbands, but this is like a little hack. You just wrap it around your wrist and it prevents it from dribbling down. So these were the 2 patterns. This one's just like polka dots. At first I was like, are they hearts? They're just dots. And then these are like little flowers. The price tag does not come off of this one. Okay, then I picked up some new loofah. New loofah alerts by the same brand, Spa April Bath and Shower, but it is a loofah with a scrubber. This is also stuck on there, but here is the scrubber. That is so nice, and I love this blue color. It's like a blue gray. It's very lovely, and I also found it in this blush pink and then this like kind of like a neon mint green color. So those were the 3 that I found. I imagine there's a 4th color to this collection. Maybe I didn't see it and I wasn't paying attention. So there's that. Then I picked up these cute little ice cream sticker pack sheets. This is the Teaching Tree. I just thought that the ice creams are really cute. Yeah, it just has ice cream on it. I mean, these are probably for like teachers like goodie boxes and stuff. I've seen a lot of teachers like put that stuff together. Then I found this cute little Carrie activity book. It includes spooky stickers and it's coloring and activity. Look how precious this is. This would be really great in a boo basket. Even for the older crowd, like I would put this in my boo basket. I love coloring so much. So yeah, look at that, look at this page. That page is so cute. And all the little bats, and then all the mazes. Yeah, this is a darling little book for $1.25. Then I picked up the Transformers. I was so happy to find these. These are actually so adorable. Let me find the other ones. Where are they? I don't know if did I get the whole collection? I did get the whole collection. Wow, I just realized that. So Dollar Tree is selling the full complete collection. However, there's that damn tag. And I gotta double check because some of them actually do come off, but some of them are built into the packaging, which I don't like. So we've got Megatron. He is the bad guy. If you've never seen Transformers, so good. We've got Soundwave. We've got Optimus Prime. He is my favorite. I think Bumblebee is probably the majority favorite, but I just love me Optimus Prime. And then we have Starscream, also a bad guy. So I thought those were really cool. These would actually be really cute for cake toppers, by the way. If you're doing like, you know, Transformer birthday party, these would be cute. Even on cupcakes, I think they would be really darling. So I got those. Then I found some new notebooks, and they are also very, very precious. Let me show you guys how cute they are. Oops. And then they have the $1.25 on the back. It's built into the back. I don't like that. That's really, I gotta stop saying this. I really do. I just can't help but now, because this is new. This little tag, she started appearing like about 2-ish months ago, like very randomly. And now it's kind of like on everything. And, but like, why? You know? But here's what the papers look like. The little sun. Isn't that adorable? That's a divider. And then the paper. Okay, there's that one. Then we have the little panda papers. The next little divider. And the papers. Then we have this one, which I think is my favorite. The little, yeah, that's so cute. And then the papers. And then we have, oops, we have the little unicorn. This one actually has some like texture to the front. And that one, the divider, and the papers. Yeah, so these little notebooks are new, and all 4 of them have different spiral colors. I love that. I love when Dollar Tree like gives us a difference. This is leaving me so shook. I've never a day in my life seen tarot cards at Dollar Tree. I've never seen this. So I've got to dive into this. I want to open it and just kind of like check them out, see what they look like. Of course, I will be using them for junk journaling because you guys already know how I am. But let's just kind of get this deck out and hopefully it even gives you the little book on like what it means to kind of draw certain cards. That's really interesting. Okay, I didn't see very many of these also like at my stores. Maybe they were already getting picked up. Here's what the outside looks like. Don't like that. But here's what the actual cards look like. Just to kind of like go through a couple. Some of them I really like, some of them I don't like, but that's okay. Like, that's really pretty. I love all the colors. But very interesting. I think this would be a great Boo Basket item for anyone that you think would love tarot cards. So, and again, this is a very shocking find for Dollar Tree. Like this, I don't even know what to say, honestly. I'm trying to put this back in here. I think the little booklet is really interesting, but so there's that. Okay, next up, let's see. I picked up these little composition notebooks, which is so funny because I've been looking for them and then I found the regular pack. These are new. These are brand new. There's different color books in here. You get 3 to a pack. Obviously the first one is black and we can see that the back one is that green color, but I'm curious to see what the middle color is. I'm like ruining my nails. All right, so the middle color is blue. That is so cute. However, one little thing that I noticed about it is it has this little label as part of the cover. It says sewn
on it, meaning I guess the pages are sewn into the binding, but like why? Why would Jot do that? I love Jot. Like, I don't understand that part personally, but listen, still super adorable, and I'm gonna use all of mine. I actually use mine to carry around with me. I'll show you guys. Mine stays in my purse, and this one specifically is from Dollar General. And they sell theirs 3 for $1 instead of $1.25. So I might as well throw shade. Dollar Tree doesn't sponsor me anyways. Anywho, okay. I then picked up some Tic Tacs. These are the Fresh Mints. Usually they only have like the fruity ones. They have like a Sprite one, which I think is limited edition, and they have like a Fruit Adventure one. So getting the actual just mint one, I think doesn't show up very often at Dollar Tree. So I got this just to throw into my purse. So there's that. And then I picked up these little Creamy Delight hard candies. The packaging is actually super darling. You can see that in there. So you get blackberry, peach, and strawberry. And then this is what the candies look like. Peach, strawberry, blackberry, I imagine. So I got those. And then the very last thing is this little mini manicure set with case. This also came in other colors, I think purple, green. I don't know if there was like a blue color, but usually there's like 4 to the collection. You get 1 nail clipper, 1 tweezer, 1 scissor, and 1 cuticle pusher. And I think this is perfect for traveling. So that's what I got mine for. And I've been leaning towards pink a lot more lately, which I'm not usually like a pink gal. But there's that. Oh, also I found a new book. This is the How Snowball Stole Christmas. Look how freaking precious that is. Love that. Look, how did you steal it, Snowball? Most cats have 9 lives, but Snowball is one of the very few with 2 jobs. Officially, she's the Weber House Inn's greeter. Unofficially, she's the town matchmaker. Her track record is the cat's pajamas. Until she meets her owner's grinchy brother, Peter Dimer. Peter hopes to move the family bookstore to a busy location downtown, but someone else has outbid him for the last storefront. Christmas is the ideal season for Laura Wolf to fulfill her dream of expanding her home business into a real shop. Too bad someone is posting negative comments on the town forum. What kind of Grinch objects to a toy store? Snowball is sure these two are a perfect match. They already have so much in common. Books are a kind of toy, right? Now all they need to add to the mix is love, and Snowball has just the shenanigans up her furry sleeve to deliver a sweet romance in time to make the season merry and bright. Okay, Snowball, whatever, you're a matchmaker and okay. And that's it for DT week day 2. I hope you guys enjoyed. This one was a little bit shorter of a video. I'm trying to do a mix. I know some of you love the longer ones, some of you like the shorter ones, and some of you like for me to get to the point, and some of you like for me to just, you know, take my time. So I like to do a mix for you guys, but that is it. Gonna drink my coffee, and then tomorrow, DT week day 3. Which is sitting right here around the corner. It's so good. Come back, turn on your bells. That way YouTube will notify you as soon as my videos are posted. It's free to do, that's it. YouTube just notifies you. And thank you so much for hanging out with me and watching all my videos, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.